Hey guys, what's up? So this drawing was a commission by one of my artist friends. I'll go ahead and link her YouTube channel in the description because she, like me, sells at a lot of conventions and she actually vlogs a lot of them too. So it's interesting. You can get somebody else's perspective on certain conventions. So I definitely would give her channel a look-see. But anyway, with this drawing, I had a lot of fun. This is a Kia Soul. Like I mentioned, I don't like to take an existing image of a car and then just redraw it because I think that's I don't see the point in that. So I took a picture of her car and then I created my own perspective and created my own lighting, and I was just kind of playing around with like the reflective surface of the car because I'm good with shading. I'm good with the like establishing my own lighting. I could do all that stuff from my imagination, but something about highly reflective surfaces like on cars or glass, kind of tricky for me to get down still. But I also was trying out new markers that I got. Normally I work with the Copic sketch marker, which is the mid-grade Copic marker that comes with a big brush on it. So I like to work with a brush when I'm using my coloring markers. However, for this one, I'm using a new set of markers that I bought called the Copic Classic that comes with like a hard, small nib and then a fat chisel nib to cover in big areas. So I was really trying to figure out how to blend without a brush, and I still prefer the brush, honestly, but I wanted to try out these new markers. But I had a lot of fun with this, and like I mentioned, I am open for car commissions. If you're interested in having your car drawn, or a car, or like a Natasha design, like you want a certain anime character on a particular car, or certain modifications, or you want certain wheels and you just want to see what it looks like, you know, whatever it is you want, I am open for commissions. Just email me. Message me here, comment here, anything, and I'll get back to you. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back with another car drawing tomorrow.